Hey guys, Woods Farm here, just working on the Kubelwagen. Just trying to do a tune-up. It's running really rough. A little bit of backfire. I just got a new tool, and that's the dwell, 49.7.8. So theoretically that's its spec. The point gap is at 16 thou. Should be closer to 47, but yeah, the engine's just running really rough. I've tried working on the carburetor. I'm going to attack that issue. See if I can get it to just run a little smoother. It's idling a bit high right now. Yeah, that's about 1300. That's a little high. Okay, so I monkeyed around a little more with the carburetor. That didn't get me very far. It just seems to hesitate a little bit and then it wants to backfire. The other thing I noticed is that if you rev it up to, like, 2,000, 2,500 RPMs, 3,000 RPMs, whatever, it'll level out, and then after a second or two it will start to, like, lose RPM. It'll start to lose speed, like it's running out of power. It just kind of slowly decreases, and then you got to rev it. If you hit the accelerator and rev it, it'll boost it back up. But I don't know if it's fuel starved or maybe this is an ignition problem. I've been having issues with spark plugs and condensers and all kinds of situations. I had this coil on it, and it was quite warm, and it tested more or less in the right specs, but I went ahead and put a different coil on. I put this coil on just to see if that helps. So I'm just going to clean up the spark plugs, and we'll see what happens. Definitely running smoother with the other coil. Trying to get the RPMs at idle down to 850 is not going to happen. Definitely a lot more responsive with the clean spark plugs and the new coil. Just see if the RPMs can stay steady. That's a lot better. It's just me on the throttle trying to keep it steady. Just gonna work on the idle a bit, see if I get the carburetor a bit better. Okay, the dwell's around 44.4. It's supposed to be 47 plus or minus 3, so that's pretty good. Timing's pretty much bang on. I'm doing about 900, 950 RPMs. A little bit of hesitation on acceleration, but it's better. Okay, so I think that's as good as I'm going to get it for now. I just did a road test, went up the road about 2 clicks, circled around, came back, got up into 3rd gear. I was shifting smoothly, and you know, gear to gear, the RPMs were just right, and everything seemed okay. I could not get the idle down to 850. Right now it's around 950. Just couldn't do it without it stalling out. If you guys hear anything with the engine, any suggestions at all, let me know. What really seemed to make a difference today is swapping out to this high performance flamethrower coil and cleaning the spark plugs. I have worked on the valves. I set the valve gap, lash, and I've done everything I can, but it seems like the plugs are fouling up pretty fast. Really the only thing I can do now is just keep cleaning them and keep an extra set on hand. But if you have any suggestions for that, I don't know again if that's carburetor related, maybe running too rich or too lean, who knows. But it was a nice drive up the road, so I'm just going to wrap this video up here. Definitely like, subscribe. If you want to see more Kubelwagen videos, go back, the full builds on YouTube. And as always, thanks for watching.